Welcome to Forbo Flooring Systems, a leading global player in high-quality commercial floor coverings and total solution flooring projects. At Forbo, we offer an extensive range of flooring products designed to meet the diverse needs of our customers. From the natural beauty of linoleum to the durability of our luxury vinyl tiles, we provide flooring solutions that combine style, function, and sustainability.
Sustainability plays a huge role, but I think it's about change, it's about training, and it's about development. And I think if the industry really can keep focusing on that, we'll make major strides and major developments.
The Green Building Council reports that over 40% of carbon emissions come from the construction industry globally, and that's obviously a huge number and something that we need to address collectively.
Sustainability is at the core of our business. We're committed to reducing our environmental impact through responsible manufacturing processes and innovative recycling programs.
Reducing carbon emissions and producing net zero products is a core goal here at Forbo. We already have our flagship Linoleum product, which is made from 98% natural raw materials, and the growth of those raw materials actually absorbs more carbon than it takes to manufacture the product.
The biggest challenge in sustainability is actually making sure that that gets translated through to the end product. And I think sometimes people look at short-term cost issues as opposed to looking at the long-term picture. Sustainability's been actually at the heart of our organisation since the late 1980s. Really at that point, the organisation realised that the core product was very sustainable, and we really started to push that and develop that. We have three core principles that we follow, which is renewability, it's transparency and circularity. We already use high levels of recycled content in our product, but I think the next challenge for construction is beyond recycling, it's actually reuse. For us as a business, we need to give the client everything that they want and sustainability. People are really starting to get the message. It's just how can we balance that against short-term cost pressures, which also come into construction. If we look at the life cycle of a building, if we can move to more adhesive-free solutions, then the floor covering can be either taken back out and replaced and recycled, or potentially the floor covering can be reused. We've always focused on having very low maintenance on our products, so the life cycle was good. But ultimately, the majority of our products will need to last longer and longer and have more than one life. When you look at sustainability, we are very confident that we are doing our bit. What we're trying to work on now is how we can look at the whole cycle of the product, not just making it, but how it's used and how it's disposed of at the end of its life, and whether or not we can reuse it, whether or not we can recycle it. That's really where the game is in the next 10 to 20 years. If you're efficient, if you're safe, and if you get quality right first time, you naturally get environmental and sustainability advantages. I think if you look at alternative raw materials, if you're curious, then you will do good things for the environment as well as good things for your business. So the two aren't mutually exclusive.
Our products are designed to last, contributing to a more sustainable future. Whether you're an architect, designer, or homeowner, we have the perfect flooring solution for you.